Hey everybody, we are doing a review and demo of something I had a lot of fun assembling, and it is the Starry Night building kit recreation of that famous work of art from Van Gogh. And this is a beautiful and delicate piece that you can continue to display in your home. So let's get into the unboxing. Once I opened up the box, I found that all of the pieces to this building kit were assembled in various bags. Altogether, you have 1,851 pieces. And if you run into any trouble with this puzzle, because it is a bit challenging, no worries. You do have a very detailed instructional guide that will take you step by step of the exact pieces that you need to complete the project. So I found that to be very helpful. Now, as far as the features of this, I love the colors. And you have a rotation of stars on this puzzle, the swirling nebula, the enormous cedar tree, and even a mini easel that comes with it, along with a little Van Gogh character. I really like that a lot. So this is good for adults or children. In fact, if you have somebody who likes STEM projects, this is perfect for them because it's going to help with hand-eye coordination. It's going to foster creativity and promote intellectual development. And it's going to inspire anybody to enter into an imaginative world of art and cultivate their artistic senses. And that's certainly what it did for me. I think this is a great gift idea too, whether it's an anniversary, a birthday, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or New Year. Anybody 8 years or older, I think, would really appreciate this, especially if you have someone who appreciates art and Van Gogh in particular. I happen to be a big fan of Van Gogh. So what you're looking at here is just some of the video I took as I assembled this. I basically spread this out over the course of about 5 days, dedicating a couple of hours to it each night. And that way I could kind of just have this going in the background, and when I had time, I could go through the process and the motions of getting this finished. And once I actually had it done, I was very impressed with how it looks in the end, and just the fact that I can have this on display in the house for months or years to come. So in summary, I had a lot of fun building this. It was a great way to pass the time, and it really tapped into my creative side. I think it'll be the same for you. And in the end, once you complete this, you're going to have an eye-catching masterpiece for your house, your bedroom, your study, dorm, apartment, whatever you're in. This is going to be a nice accessory to put in there. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.